Look no further than the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, third row seat, aluminum wheels. When it comes down to it, is there anything more important than safety in a family vehicle? Drive the Pacifica.